Hello, Stevie here, and here are my shops. And these two are junk journaling collaging shops for supplies. And this is my bookshop that has a lot of junk journal type books or things with great pictures or just bookish reading, educational. And then this is my original vintage shop, and it has a lot of gifts I'm getting in there for the holidays. And I kind of cater to people who need supplies. This is my new kit, my skeleton kit, and it's on really light copy paper. This isn't even copy paper, it's almost like tracing paper. But it was what was in my printer, so I just went with it. And so a new kit to play with. And there it is. I've been having such internet problems. I'm trying to make them really short, so hopefully I can get them loaded up in YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. It helps the algorithm and me. Don't forget to comment with those positive comments. That helps also. Bye.